Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a meeting on Calendly step by step. So let's get started. First, open Calendly and log into your account on your computer or mobile device. This is where all your scheduled meetings are managed. Once you're on your dashboard, go to your scheduled events or check your email where the meeting invitation was sent. Before joining a meeting, make sure your Calendly account is connected to a meeting platform like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. To do this, go to the Integration section in your dashboard and connect your preferred meeting tool by following the simple prompts. This is usually a one-time setup and ensures all your meetings have the correct links automatically generated. Once everything is connected, joining a meeting is very easy. Simply open the meeting invitation from your email or Calendly dashboard and click on the meeting link provided. This will take you directly to the meeting on the selected platform. Make sure your internet connection, microphone, and camera are ready before joining for a smooth experience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to join a meeting on Calendly. Now you can easily attend your meetings without any confusion or delays. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.